Alright guys, got another Swiss Army knife from VICTORINOX, and this one is the Farmer. Let's take a look at it. This is in the aluminum scales, the ALOX. I think these look and feel the best. They're definitely the most sturdy, all riveted construction. Solid aluminum scales, and the heavier gauge tools in these ones too. You've got a blank bit there you can have a name engraved onto, although the special edition ones normally have the year put there. They normally come in different colours depending on the year and the model. Let's take a look. Right, we got the great half stops on these, real powerful. A real positive click there. You got the little dinky wire stripper, the bottle cap lifter, the flathead screwdriver, large flathead screwdriver, and again it's angled at the back to use as a pry bar. And we got the can opener. It's the one I don't like, the forward one. I prefer the multi-tool with the can opener that goes in reverse. I think it's easier to use. But there you go, it's got the can opener and the small flathead screwdriver that also works with Phillips screws, large and small, different sizes. It works really good. That part of this tool works great. And of course you can get into tins, you're not going to go hungry. It's just I prefer the one that goes in reverse. But that might just be me. And it's got the punch, the awl, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't have the hole in it. You can't sew with this one like you can on other ones, but it's a stronger construction. It's curved over like half an I-beam, if you like, and this one is more substantial, and I know it gives great sparks with a ferro rod. Really useful tool. I really like those tools. Of course we got the saw. Same as on the camper version. Great saws, I like them a lot. We'll have a little go with the saw in a minute. And the main blade, again, which is heavier gauge than on the camper and those other models. I will do a comparison video, but take my word for it, heavier gauge knife. Yeah, really well made, nice. Everything's perfect on the back here. So that's it, just a quickie of the Farmer. And the Farmer X has scissors, but I prefer this one, so that's why I got it. Alright, so there you go guys. The saw works great, just the same as the camper version. If you haven't seen my camper version video, go check it out if you're trying to decide which one's for you. The only thing with the ALOX, I mean, it's beautifully made, heavier gauge tools, bushcraft people swear by them, farmers swear by them, and this is the Farmer, aptly named. There's solid aluminum scales there. It's quality knife, but the plastic scale versions you have the toothpick, the tweezers. You haven't got none of that with this, and you've got no tools on the back here. So less tools, but more sturdy version. So I mean, I've got one of each and looking at getting one or two more, so I'm good. Alright guys, catch you later.